Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Gatonye, and in this tutorial I'm going to introduce to Microsoft Excel Workbook. Please remember to like, share and comment if you like to see more of this video. So in this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to Microsoft Excel, and let's get started. So the first thing, once you open a blank workbook, you'll be presented by the layout as you can see on the screen. So in this layout we'll find that on top you'll find we have the quick access toolbar. So this quick access is where you can be able to do some quick customization of access. So if you want maybe to redo, you want to add anything, you can have them there. And if you want to add, you can also customize the items in the quick access toolbar so that you can be able to have them there, and once you want to use them you can have them easily without going to get them where they are. So you'll also find that here we have the different tabs. So you can see these are normally called tabs. So we have home tabs, we have insert tab, and we have page layout tab. So if you double click a tab, you can be able to maybe hide the ribbons, and also if you double click again you'll be able to open, and then you can have a look at them once they are there. So you want to open the tabs, double click. You want to hide, you double click again each tab, and then it will be able to have that. So if you notice that each tab has a group of items, so these are normally called ribbons. So you can find, like in the home tabs we have fonts, and we have the ribbons for fonts. You can have bold, maybe italic if you want to underline. You can have maybe different fill color, or maybe if you also want different font color, you can be able to use them here. So, and also you'll find that these ribbons in each tab are categorized into groups. So you can find here we have font group, here we have alignment, we have numbers, and also you have style, cells, depending on the tab that you are. If you go to insert, you'll find there are different groups and also different items in each category of each group. So sometimes you find that the items in each group cannot fit the space that they are given here. So you can find, like, we have a quick, I normally like to call it launch button, where if you click it, it will open a detailed items that are found in that group. So you can find, like near here I have format cell, where I have my numbers, alignments, fonts, and also different things that could not fit in this space that you are located here with Excel. So if you go down here, you'll find here we have a name box. So something I'll need to introduce you about in Excel is, you'll find if you open a blank workbook, you'll be able to see we have columns and we have rows. So the columns have letters. You can see it is A, and it goes till X, F, D. And also if you go to the rows, you have numbers. We start from 1 to around 10. So you'll be able to see there are many. So the intersection between a column and a row, that's what gives us a cell. So you can see, like now here I am, this is cell A1. So the cell is normally named depending on where it is. So if I come here, you'll find this is cell D3, meaning it is where column D intersects with row number 3, and that becomes the name for that cell. So you can also be able to have a range. A range is a group of cells. So if you select a group of cells like this one, this is what we call a range. So you can be able to have it there. And also from the name box, now we have here the formula bar. This is where you input the formula if you want to do any calculations in Excel. And also I've explained to you the name box, and by definition the name box normally gives you the location of a cell or a range depending on what you have selected. So if you open Excel, you'll be able to see we have a sheet. Like now here I have, this is called sheet 1. So you can be able to add another sheet. You'll find I'll have sheet 2. So these are these now are the worksheet that I'll be using. If I want to do a lot of calculations, I'll be able to do in sheet 1 or maybe sheet 2. Also you can be able to rename the sheet if you want. Like this one I can call John, or maybe this one I can call is where I have my data. I can have the data there. So you can be able to have that. So these sheets are in one workbook. This workbook is called book 2. So I can say a workbook is a combination of many sheets. So if you have many sheets, they'll end up giving you a workbook. So a collection of different worksheets, that's what gives us a workbook. So, and also we have been able, I've been able to tell you the name range, and also I think I've introduced you a bit to Excel. So, and in the next tutorial we're going to start with simple data entry in Excel, and then we pick it from there. Thank you very much for your time. Keep on, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave your comment in case of anything, and this will motivate me to even start producing more videos in future. Thank you.